Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. We've got another Life Smart heater that I picked off from eBay for I think it was 28 bucks. They said it was not working, so I took the opportunity and ordered it, and maybe I can fix it. So I'm going to be doing this kind of live. I usually have pretty good success with these, so I'm just going to go ahead and see if this is something that I can do live. When I say live, recording it once. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, well, it's actually new, that's for sure. It's nothing, doesn't look used at all. And I did not see the remote that it should come with, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and plug it in, see what happens. All right, so I turn the switch on. So we have power. So the power light comes on, but we get nothing in the front. Let's go ahead and unplug it. And what we need to do is we need to get into that panel. It looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws on the back of this. Okay, I just pulled this cover back. Look, it's brand new. This is unbelievable. Look at this. All right, this wire is coming off the tilt switch. There's a tilt switch right here, and this wire is coming off there, and there's obviously only one place for it to plug back in, and that's right there. It could be that simple. It's amazing when people return these things. They don't bother looking at them. They just sell them as parts. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug that in. We're going to plug it back into the power and see if it works. I'm just going to leave that out like that. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Let's see what happens. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Power. And it's working. This is the second time this has happened. If you remember right, I got a Mr. Heater or Mr. Hunter heater or something a while back, and that one there, it was the control panel that was unplugged. So I'm going to go ahead and see if this thing's going to heat up, and it's kind of warm in here, so I'm going to... I just heard it click in. It's 77 in here evidently. I feel the heat. Unbelievable. You would think these companies would, when they get these back, they would at least inspect them and then resell them, but evidently they don't. So whoever bought this, it didn't work, they sent it back to the company, and then I purchased it. Oh, I feel a lot of heat now. Just wait for the fan to come on. Wow. There it is. Not much of a repair. Basically, it was something that happened at the manufacturer. This is the second one that I've gotten. I've got a perfect home for this. I know someone who really needs one of these, so they're gonna be very happy. Okay, well there it is. Not a whole lot to it, so I'm just gonna put the back on. I'll run it through a couple tests. I mean, I don't see why it would be a problem. I'm gonna package it up, take it to a buddy of mine that needs one, and there we go. So. I hope this helps you. Check all your connections on this stuff. If you've moved it, you've dropped it by accident, whatever it may be. But there it is. Nice little Life, it's a Life Pro heater, I think it's called. Nice little heater, working great. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Crazy.